In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Chime temporary card in store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Chime temporary card in store is extremely simple. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the Chime mobile app. By having the latest version of their app, you will be able to acquire the credentials about the temporary card and add it properly to a digital wallet. You have to add the card to a digital wallet in order to be able to use it in store. This can either be the Google Wallet if you are using an Android device or the Apple Wallet if you are using an iOS device instead. To access this feature and add the temporary debit card to a wallet, just go over to the latest version of the app like I mentioned, and on the home screen, tap the settings icon at the top left corner. You will be able to browse through your cards, and when you select your specific card, you will find this option, View Your Card. In here, you can find all the necessary information like the card number, expiration date, and security code. Usually, there is also going to be a button to directly add the card to one of those wallets that I mentioned. So once again, the Apple Wallet on iOS or the Google Wallet on Android devices. By tapping this button, you will be redirected to the specific wallet displayed with all the credentials about the card automatically filled out. Once the card has been attributed to one digital wallet, you can now use that specific wallet to make payments in store contactlessly as long as your phone has NFC capabilities enabled. If for whatever reason the credentials about the card were not automatically transferred over, you can also manually input them by going over to your wallet of choice, tapping the plus sign, and choosing the option to add a credit or debit card manually. Like I said, include the card number, expiration date, and security code, and the cardholder's name if necessary. It is going to be verified and it is now ready to use. As you can see, according to the description of the temporary card, it is going to be disabled when you activate your new temporary card or the physical card that is going to arrive in the mail, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Chime temporary card in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.